back in Hamilton Heights today, and we need to do another video for this apartment because they've done so much work getting this apartment turned around and ready. Let's take a look at this living room that you may have already seen in the previous video. Got this new flooring laid down at this point. You can see two big oversized windows overlooking West 152nd Street. And there's a hint of the brick wall that we're maintaining through this total gut renovation. You'll see the whole floor. Let's take a look at this floor to ceiling walk-in closet. We had just walked in, went right into the living room. This is the upstairs bedroom. Again, you can see two large windows, great sunlight coming in during the day. We're in the latter part of the day at this point. Great floor to ceiling closet in this bedroom as well. Easily fit a queen, 2 nightstands, maybe even a small dresser. Right, let's take a look here. This is the hallway leading back to the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, including dishwasher, granite countertops. Sun-filled kitchen when there's sun. Take a look back this way. I want to bend down. Let's take a look at this tile. This is what's underneath this protective covering here. Stepping into the bathroom now, quite large. Still waiting on the vanity. Now let's go take a look at the second bedroom. This is a duplex. We're gonna go down the spiral staircase. All right, here we go. Now this can do a queen size bed. Got a little bit of an industrial feel here with the heat and hot water pipes. Just got the flooring put down today. This is all going to be closed off. This is going to be walled off. And you've got a large oversized window here. Can easily do a queen, 2 nightstands, a dresser, and probably a wardrobe as well. We're in Hamilton Heights. We're on West 152nd between Broadway and Amsterdam. We'd like to show this apartment to you. Come on down. This could be where you spend Christmas.